learners, welcome back to Fun Scholar e-learning series. I am Rikta and we here at Fun Scholar are committed to bring the best from the world of robotics and electronics to you. Today we are going to make a blinking LED circuit with the help of a special IC named 555 timer. But before starting the tutorial, let me remind you to do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting tutorials. First, we are going to make this blinking LED circuit and then learn the pin configuration of the special IC which we have used to make this circuit, and the name of the special IC is 555 timer. So let's first see the components required for making the circuit. Here is the list of the components required. This is the breadboard, the 9-volt battery. This is the 555 timer with which we will fade in and fade out this LED. Capacitor. This is the transistor, and we have used two resistors. This is the 1 kilo ohm resistor and this one is 100 ohm resistor. And these are few connecting wires. You can also use jumper wires in place of it. Now let's start making the project. First, we will place the 555 timer on the breadboard. We start counting the number of pins of 555 timer from the left hand side of the notch. First, we will connect the pin number 1 of the 555 timer to the negative power rail of the breadboard, that is with the ground. Next, pin number 8 will be connected to the positive power rail of the breadboard. After that, we will connect pin number 4 with the positive power rail of the breadboard. Now, with the help of another connecting wire, we will connect pin number 6 of 555 timer with pin number 2. After this, we will place the 1 kilo ohm resistor on the breadboard and connect one leg of the resistor with pin number 2 of the 555 timer, and the other leg of the resistor will be connected to pin number 3 of the 555 timer. Now it's time to place the transistor on the breadboard, and the base of the transistor will be connected to pin number 6 of the 555 timer, and the emitter of the transistor will be connected to the positive power rail of the breadboard. With the collector of the transistor, we will connect the 100 ohm resistor. Now it's time to place the LED on the breadboard. LED will be placed in such a way that the smaller leg of it, that is the negative leg of it, will be placed on the negative power rail of the breadboard, and the longer leg of it, that is the positive leg of it, will be connected with the 100 ohm resistor. After placing the LED, we will place the capacitor on the breadboard. The shorter leg of it, that is the negative leg of it, will be connected to the negative power rail of the breadboard, and the longer leg of it, that is the positive leg of it, will be connected with the pin number 2 of the 555 timer. Now, as we have completed all the connections, so it's time to connect the battery with the circuit. Here I am using a 9-volt battery to provide the required power to our circuit. The negative wire, that is the black wire of the battery, will be connected to the negative power rail of the breadboard, and the red wire, that is the positive wire, will be connected to the positive power rail of the breadboard. As soon as you connect the battery with the circuit, you will be able to see the output. You can see that our LED is blinking. The rate at which the LED is blinking can be controlled by changing the value of the capacitor connected with the circuit. Here we have used 100 microfarad capacitor, but if we replace the 100 microfarad capacitor with 470 microfarad capacitor, then we can see that our LED is blinking at a much slower rate. And if the value of the capacitor will be increased further, that is, if we replace the 470 microfarad capacitor with 1000 microfarad capacitor, then our LED will fade in and fade out at a much slower rate. This is how you can make a blinking LED circuit with the help of a special IC named 555 timer. So let us now learn a bit about 555 timer. 555 timer IC is a cheap, popular and precise timing device used in various applications. It is mainly used to provide time delay. Here we have used a 555 timer to turn on and off a LED. For blinking LED, 555 timer has been used in an astable mode, where there is no stable mode. That is, the output will swing between high and low, which in turn will turn on and off the LED. This is the pin diagram of 555 timer. The IC mainly have 8 pins and has a notch at one of its ends. We start counting the number of pins of the IC from the left hand side of this notch. The first pin is named the ground pin because this pin will always be connected to ground. The second pin is called the trigger pin. Here is a short duration pulse is given to trigger the output. The third pin is from where we can get the required output. The fourth pin is called the reset pin. Reset pin is used to reset the output. It is usually connected to plus VCC, that is the positive terminal of the supply system, to start the IC to function. The fifth pin is for controlling the voltage. That is why it is called the control voltage pin. The output of the IC depends on the amplitude of the external trigger pulse applied to this pin. The sixth pin is called the threshold pin. When the voltage at this pin reaches to 2/3 of the supply voltage, the output on pin number 3 goes low. The seventh pin is called the discharge pin, which provides a discharge path from the internal timing capacitor to ground when the output is low. And the last pin, that is the 8th pin, will always be connected to the positive terminal of the supply system, that is the plus VCC. So this is the pin diagram of 555 timer. Hope you have enjoyed making this super interesting circuit. For more such interesting tutorials and projects, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will come back to you soon with another interesting circuit. Till then, be safe, keep learning and keep watching Fun Scholar e-learning series. Thank you for watching.